Welcome to Beautyistic. Let's talk about something every color-treated hair enthusiast needs in their routine, keeping that vibrant color looking fresh and healthy. If you've ever wondered how to maintain your color-treated hair without sacrificing strength or shine, you're in the right place. But first, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss another beauty tip. Now, let's get into the Nexxus Hair Color Assure Conditioner with ProteinFusion. This is a color-safe conditioner designed specifically for those of us with color-treated hair. With its unique protein infusion technology, it promises to not only moisturize but also enhance the vibrancy of your hair color, all while helping to restore hair's natural strength, elasticity, shine, and moisture. Nexxus uses their signature H4 complex, which works to heal the 4 signs of hair health. This means you get a conditioner that's not just about maintaining your color, but also deeply repairing and nourishing your strands. It creates an invisible defensive layer around the hair fiber, protecting those essential proteins that can be lost during the coloring process. Now, how does it feel in real life? I've been using this conditioner for a couple of weeks, and I'll tell you, the texture is rich, but not overly heavy. It's the perfect balance, hydrating without weighing my hair down. When applied, it glides through effortlessly and leaves my hair feeling silky smooth. After rinsing, my color stays vibrant, and my hair feels stronger and less prone to frizz. As for everyday usability, it fits seamlessly into my routine. Whether I'm using it in the morning or evening, it doesn't take long to work its magic, and it doesn't leave any greasy residue behind. You'll notice a difference from the first use. My hair felt softer and more manageable, with the color still looking fresh and vibrant after multiple washes. Now, let's break it down a bit. What's good about this conditioner? First, it does what it says. It protects color and deeply hydrates without feeling too heavy. My hair definitely looks shinier and feels smoother. Plus, it's great for anyone who wants that salon-like finish without needing to go to the salon every time you wash your hair. On the flip side though, if you have fine hair, you might want to be cautious with how much you apply, as it can feel a bit rich for certain textures. But overall, I think the benefits far outweigh this small consideration. When we talk value for money, I would say that at its price point, this conditioner is worth it, especially if you've invested in color-treated hair. It gives you that salon-quality protection without the salon price. For someone with colored hair, maintaining the vibrancy without compromising hair health is crucial, and this product hits the mark. Comparing this to other color-safe conditioners, you might find similar products, but Nexxus really sets itself apart with its protein infusion technology. There are other options that promise moisture and vibrancy, but Nexxus takes it a step further with the added strength and elasticity boost. The build quality of the packaging is pretty standard. Nothing flashy, but functional. The bottle is easy to use and controls the amount of product dispensed, so you're not wasting any. And with 13.5 ounces of product, I'd say it lasts a decent amount of time. Now, is this product perfect? It definitely has its place in any color-treated hair care routine, especially if you want to extend the life of your hair color and improve overall hair health. For someone who's serious about their hair care, this product will provide excellent results. If you're wondering if it's worth the price, yes, especially if you want a long-lasting, strong color that doesn't fade out after a few washes. It works beautifully with the Nexxus Color Assure shampoo as well, for the best results. Before we wrap things up, I want to hear from you. Have you tried the Nexxus Color Assure Conditioner? Drop a comment below and let me know how it worked for you. And if this review helped you out, please hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell so we can keep bringing you honest, in-depth reviews like this. Thanks so much for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.